You could say that I'm sitting down on the job, but in actuality, I'm reviewing this chair. This amazingly awesome, fully ergonomically designed, completely adjustable in every way imaginable, super comfortable desk and office chair by a company called Odinlake. So if you want to see exactly how this chair comes together, all the different features, how every single piece of it is adjustable to make it exactly the most comfortable chair for you, then keep watching. Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and I'm super excited to introduce to you this amazingly awesome chair by a company called Odinlake. This is the Ergo Pro 633 chair. This is their top chair, desk, office chair, and you're going to see why. It's so comfortable and so adjustable. So many different ways you can adjust it. Little things like the arms. The arms adjust forward and backwards. They also adjust up and down, but then they also adjust this way. So you can have them pointing more out, level, or pointed more in, whatever's more comfortable for you. So fully adjustable. The headrest. The headrest goes up or the headrest goes down to get it at the right height for you. And then it also adjusts angle-wise. So you can get it at the right height and the right angle that's comfortable for you. That's great. You do have your hydraulic to go up and down with the chair. So that is in. You've also got a seat adjuster set. The seat can scoot forward. I don't know if you can see that as well in this video, but you'll see different angles so that you can see exactly what's happening there. But the seat scoots back and the seat scoots forward so that your seat can be further away from the back or closer to the back to give you the best distance and depth of the seat for you. Because if you have shorter legs, you probably need a shorter seat to be closer to the back, or maybe you just need that for more lumbar support. If you have longer legs or if you don't need that as much, then you want the seat to be deeper. So it is fully adjustable. Over here on the side, you can switch that, and now look, I can lean all the way back, and it's movable and rockable. And then when I want to lock it, I just shift that back and lock it into place. Now it's locked, and you can lock it into any position. So now it's locked leaning back. So that's great. That's fully adjustable as well. Then you've got this great little footrest. So no more needing to put your feet up on your desk, because now you can just pull out this footrest and put your feet up there like that. If you need a little break, you just pull that out, take a little break, relax a little bit. This chair allows you to do that. Folds right up in here. This is on casters, obviously. Really beautiful design and finish with the mostly black, but then a little bit of silver touch. And that's the other thing about this chair. It's not just an extremely comfortable, ergonomically designed chair with so many adjustments to be able to get it exactly the way you want it. It also is designed well. It's beautiful. It looks great. You've got this nice mesh back finish that looks really good and is also super comfortable. And then also you can adjust. It has an adjustment down here on the bottom, twist adjustment to adjust the resistance for leaning back and for rocking to be what you need it to be. So this chair has everything. What more could you possibly want in a desk office chair? And these are so important because you're sitting at your desk working either at work or at home on your computer. You're sitting there for long periods of time. So you want to be comfortable. You want something that gives you the support that you need, especially for your lumbar. And this chair does that. And with all those different adjustments, you can get it to exactly what is right for you and what's comfortable for you. So really, really excellent, excellent chair from Odinlake. Now it does come unassembled and you need to assemble it yourself. So you're going to get a little video where you can see in fast motion, time lapse, all the parts, how they come in the box and how this thing goes together. It took me about 25-30 minutes to put it together, which is not bad, and that was me putting it together by myself. There's a couple of parts, especially at the end when you're kind of putting all of it together. It would be helpful to have an extra hand to help, at least hold something in place while one person locks in the screws. But I did it all by myself and was able to do it without any issues. One thing I would recommend is that instead of using the included Allen wrench, that you use a screwdriver that has changeable bits and get an Allen wrench bit that's the right size and use that. That definitely would be that made it easier for me than if I had had to use the Allen wrench for everything. I think that would have been a little too difficult. So I would recommend getting that tool to assist. Other than that, it went together fairly easily, 20 to 30 minutes, and it's all good to go. And definitely just a really awesome chair. If you're looking for a super comfortable desk chair, then you really cannot go wrong with this chair from Odinlake. It is great. Now, this chair is available on the Odinlake website directly from them. It is what I would consider a fairly affordable chair for everything that you're getting. It's priced right now at the time of this video in the $450 range, but check below. I will have a coupon code so that you probably get about $50 or so off of that, maybe bring it down to around $400. And $400 for a chair with all these features is actually a really good deal. Now, if you say, well, I like the chair, I like the way they make their chairs, but I don't quite have that much money, or I don't need all those features, they do have other desk chairs. They have several other desk chairs in other price ranges, so you can check those out on their website as well. But if you have the means and you're looking for an excellent chair that you are just going to love, then I would highly recommend this chair from Odinlake. I think it's just awesome. And that is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up with future product reviews or favorite this playlist. And if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.